Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer from Kraken to a traditional bank. Alright, so let's begin. First, open the Kraken app and log into your account. Once there, go to your portfolio section. Here you'll see your crypto assets, stablecoins, and any available fiat currency you already have. Before you can withdraw to your bank, you'll need to sell your crypto for cash. For example, if you want to withdraw Ethereum, tap Trade, then select Sell for cash. After that, choose how much you want to sell and confirm the transaction. Once the sale is complete, go back to your portfolio and you'll now see the balance available in fiat currency. Next, tap Transfer at the bottom and select Withdraw Cash or Crypto. Under the Cash tab, choose the currency you're withdrawing, for instance USD, Euro, or GBP. Then, enter the amount you want to withdraw and choose the linked bank account where you want to send the funds. If you haven't added a bank yet, tap Add New Withdrawal Method, select your preferred option like SEPA or wire transfer, then enter your bank account details, IBAN, nickname, etc. Make sure the name on your bank account matches your Kraken account name or the transfer may fail. Once the account is added, select it, enter your withdrawal amount, and tap Withdraw. Your withdrawal will now be processed. You can track its status under Activity, where it will show as pending until it's completed. Typically, the transfer takes 1-3 business days, depending on your bank, and that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer from Kraken to a traditional bank. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.